Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. وَمِن شَرِّ Repeat after me again. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ. Repeat. حَاسِدٍ وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ. Combine everything together. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ 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 وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ. Wow! Super! I love the way that you're learning with so much enthusiasm. I'm sure that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be so pleased with you, insha'Allah.
Now we have few words to practice from the lessons 29 to 34. The first one, فَبِأَيِّ and جَنَّاتٍ كُفُوًا إِنَّمَا خَيْرٌ إِلَهٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ سَبِيلًا كَذَّبُوا غَنِيٌّ. Children, practice with me louder. إِنَّهُمْ قَوِيٌّ. Practice قَوِيٌّ, powerful. الْحَكِيمُ الْكَافِرِينَ. Now we have وَعَمِلُوا. Practice with me. وَعَمِلُوا. Now we have وَلَهُمْ. أَعْلَمُ. قُلُوبُهُمْ. And here a small word. وَلَمْ. هَذِهِ. Another word. فَإِنَّ. And say with me. وَأَنَّ رَبُّكَ. يَهْدِي. آيَةٍ. Practice with me. آيَةٍ. الصالحات. And practice with me louder. علينا. للناس.
Children, welcome again to our writing class where we teach you how to write in Arabic. You know, we are moving higher and higher, and in this class I will teach you how to write فَبِأَيِّ. Let me grab my board and my marker. The first word, as I said, is فبأي. So I write the fa first. I write the fa, the dot with the fatha, and the ba, fa, b with the kasra, and then you have the fatha for ay, and then you have the ya. Make sure that you have the ya with the kasra, and make sure that you have the tajdeed. فبأي. Please take a pen and practice with me. Write the fa and the ba, the dot, the kasra, the dot here, and the fatha. The dot for fatha, the dot for ba, fatha for fa, kasra for b, and the fatha for alif. On ya, you're going to write first the ya, the tajdeed, and you have the kasra. فبأي. فبأي. Well, let me tell you something. Well, now let me show you how to write the second word. The second word is jannatin. The ja with the dot, fatha, you have with the tajdeed, standing fatha, jannah, and then you have the two dots and the two kasra, jannatin. Jannatin. Wonderful, kids. This is how you should learn. Make sure that you follow our program regularly and learn how to write in Arabic. We have two more words for you to practice by yourself, and they are kufuwan and innama. So I want you to practice that at your own place. Muhammadur Rasulullah. Muhammadur Rasulullah. This is the name of our beloved Prophet. May the peace and blessings be upon him. Now, come with me and let's learn Arabic with actions. Alayya means on me. Alayna means on us. Again, alayya means on me. Alayna means on us. Repeat after me in Arabic. Alayya, alayna. Alayya, alayna. Excellent. Again, alayya, alayna. Alayya, alayna. Oh, come on, you guys can do a better job than that. One more time. Alayya, alayna. Alayya, alayna. Wonderful. Now, repeat with me slowly. Alayya, alayna. Alayya, alayna. Alayya, alayna. Last time. Alayya, alayna. MashaAllah, that was excellent. Guess what? Now we will practice what we have learned so far. Alayhi means on him. Alayhim means on them. Alayka means on you. Alaykum means on you all. Alayya means on me. Alayna means on us. Repeat after me in Arabic. Alayhi, alayhim. Alayhi, alayhim. Alayka, alaykum. Alayka, alayhim. Alayya, alayna. Again, alayhi, alayhim, alayhi, alayka, alaykum, alayka, alayya, alayna, alayya, alayna. Excellent. Last time with more force and energy. Alayhi, alayhim, alayhi, alayhim, alayka, alaykum, alayka, alaykum, alayya, alayna, alayya, alayna. MashaAllah, that was fantastic. Now, repeat with me slowly as I say. Alayhi, alayhim, alayka, alaykum, alayya, alayna. Alayhi, alayhim, alayka, alaykum, alayya, alayna. Alayhi, alayhim, alayka, alaykum, alayya, alayna. Last time. عليه عليهم عليك عليكم علي علينا. MashaAllah. That was super. Wow, children. I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time. And I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.